Respect. Oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, good night.
Terima kasih sudah klik video ini. Tapi jangan lupa guys, klik tombol subscribe karena subscribe itu gratis. Dengan subscribe kamu support channel ini terus untuk upload hampir setiap hari. Ingat, subscribe itu gratis, gak ada ruginya kamu klik tombol subscribe guys. Selamat menonton, enjoy.
Anda akan menyaksikan spesial break terpaksa menikahi tuan muda dipersembahkan oleh
Welcome to my first video. My name is Hijrah Ahmad Raihan. This night is 9 o'clock and I will go to Masepolaholic to play billiards. Billiard is one of my hobby. I very love it. I love it. And I will go to training now to play at the tournament maybe. It's hard to play at tournament, but when I training I can do it. Okay, I will go terrace home now and take my motorcycle to go to Masepolaholic, and I ready for it. Already. See you at Masepolaholic.
Let's go!
A few moments later.
Okay guys, I was arrived at Masepolaholic. This is the place guys. So we go in now. Rame guys, crowded in Solo.
One eternity later.
So I at Masepolaholic now, and this is my table for playing billiard. Me only.
Eta bang.
In here, I just play as usual. I just want to play alone. Well, without thinking about friend or not, the point is I just practice and take video for assignment.
Yeah, boy.
I think this time I need to serious playing this training now because I need to size my table. Wow, the player is good to focusing the ball, and I feel my skill is underrated for this player. Okay, I need to serious playing losses that feel embarrassing to me, and I'm speechless about that. But at the end, I think I must get too serious again for this game, because I got many losses of my friend. God, hurt. And I go too serious again, and the result of me and my friend is a draw. Yes, because my skill are same, and maybe no, I'm underrated. Okay guys, I finished playing billiard at Mase Holaholic now, and there is 12 half past 12 o'clock. Oh, cukup lama ya guys ya. Dia sampai jumpa di rumah. Thank you for watching my video.
Let's go.
Okay guys, thanks you for watching my video, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye.